This home is a fantastic home for, I would say, a family of 4 or possibly more. I mean, you could probably do 8, but it might be a little bit tight as far as the amount of bathrooms, because there are only 3 toilets in this house, and this second floor only has the 1 bathroom, so you have 1 bathroom to share with the 3 bedrooms. But you know, if it's 3 people up here, it might be okay. If it's 6 people, maybe not. So this home is a favorite of mine. I'm over at Cagan Crossings. This is the Yellowstone. It is 2,168 square feet, 4 beds, 2.5 baths, 2-car garage. I just really appreciate this home. I like what it offers for the money. It's a good value. Let's go have a look. Let's go start off at the second floor. Now, I do have another video of this home in a different community, so I'm going to kind of just move along a little bit faster. But it's kind of nice to see it with some furniture. And one of the things about this home was the bedroom size that I liked. You could see how much floor space is all around this bed. Just a lot of room. Good sized closet. And another view of your loft, which is set up as a family TV room. And there's a little cove over there that they have a desk, which is kind of nice. I like the quartz countertop. Nice color. Alright, so this is the bathroom that's up on the second floor. You have a full bathroom. Oh, Pac-Man. Awesome. Pac-Man bed sheets. I didn't know they had Pac-Man bed sheets. These things are excellent. I mean, as a kid when I played Pac-Man, I would have dreamed of sleeping on these sheets, and I think I am right now. That's really nice. This room is probably, I'm going to say it would be in my top 5 rooms for how it's decorated. I love the Pac-Man theme. And they put dots around the mirror. How cool is that? So here's the whole towel closet. And this room it's a flower room. And you could see that the top of the attic is spray foamed. And Meritage does this instead of putting in the that loose blown insulation that they just blow all over the inside. And yeah, I'm not a fan of that blown insulation, but it's common. Nice view. You got a lot of light coming in. Okay, so let's take a look at the first floor. Here's your half bathroom. This is the storage under the stairs, if I remember correctly. Yeah, actually it's just a closet. It's not actually a storage under the stairs. But it is under the stairs, so I guess it is. It's just a little small. And here's your laundry, which goes to your garage. Not going in the garage because that's the sales office. Cabinets are a nice color. I'm not exactly crazy about brown anymore. I'm kind of over the brown colors, but this one's kind of nice. So here's another living room, family TV room. Another great size master bedroom. Here's the towel closet. And this is the master bedroom closet. It's a great size closet, no doubt about that. And I think that with a closet this size, I would be adding another shelf along this wall. But most people take these shelves down when they move in. I've heard it from plenty of people that have purchased a home. They've said to me, no, these are coming down, we're taking it down. So there's a lot that you could do with the closet that might be better than that one shelf that these builders put in. But I mean, really, it's just a starter. That's really the reason why they do it. Now, if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out and contact me. I'm No Pressure Sales, and I do work for you and represent you as a home buyer. I do not work for any home builders or represent them. They always work for the builder. And what I mean by they is these salespeople, these sales teams that work at the builders. Now, when you contact me first before heading over to the builder, you won't void your free representation, okay? Now, the home builders everywhere do pay for it, but many of them have certain rules and regulations where your realtor needs to be the one to enter the office with you, or even sometimes if you email or call builders, that can void your free realtor representation. Now, one of the great things about calling me first as well is that I like to work with the sales associates that are the best at the builders, the ones that have really good knowledge of the place and also are very low pressure, nice to work with. That's super important. The other thing in the process is, your money. You always want to keep your money safe. Many times home buyers call me after the fact. They contact me when it's too late. They're in a contract and they have problems, and now they're trying to get help from me. And many times they've seen my videos, which they openly tell me. They've seen my videos and then they end up telling me, you know what, you are 100% correct. I wish I contacted you. Now I'm in this situation. So contact me first. Let's have a nice process of finding you a home, a safe process where your money, everything that you do with your money, when you put it down, everything's done correctly. And then after you're in contract, let's make sure that your home is also assembled correctly. A home that isn't assembled correctly and is built poorly, that's not something that you want. So for me, for my home buyers, those are my concerns. I want you to have a nice experience in the beginning. I want you to have the best sales associates where possible. I want you to have a nice process going into the contract. Everything is done safe. And then after that is the home building process. So there's going to be several things along the way that I'm going to do to help you in that. So, don't miss out on it. For you don't pay for the service. You're not going to miss out on any incentives or lose them because you use my service at a builder. The only thing that you will do is you'll miss out on everything that I offer you in the process, because home builders do not reduce the price of a home because you pass on using a realtor. It just doesn't work that way. And many times you end up with the best deals because I'm there with you and I'm able to ask the right questions, okay? Asking the right questions and knowing what to say and how the deals work is super important. So don't be shy. Give me a call, email, or text. Thank you.